All right, so just a theory here. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Okay. Um, is it possible that the Big Bang, instead of happening from the sun, is it possible that the Big Bang happened from the Earth, and the Earth was one massive planet, and then there was an explosion with the heat contracting with the sun, and then bam, it explodes, and all the other planets sort of came off it because they all seem to have elements that the Earth has. Water, gases, diamonds, all these sorts of things are all stuff that we can find on the Earth, right? So, is it possible that that's how the Big Bang actually started? They all start spinning around the sun. Earth just happens to be rich with every single element, and then that's why we happen to have life on Earth. From a microbacteria that might have been in there from back in the day with the Big Bang, and now it's just developed and developed and developed. Starts to grow mass, starts to grow life, animals, and yeah, and we're out of that. I mean, we're just another animal on the planet. We've just become that retarded from evolution that we've separated from it, and rather than adapting to the environment, we've just started to use technology instead. And we're just trying to figure things out, basically the best way to survive, and other animals have figured out their best way to survive, camouflage and adapting in certain ways. It's like they know science just subconsciously, right? We do know it, but we're just not attuned to it as much. We do have it in our instincts, but we just and that's a fact, by the way. We do have that in our instincts. Like, you can tell certain things that you can be like, no, like, you're in a certain situation, not like a life situation, but weather or whatnot. Yeah, I have to get cool. I have to go under the shade. I have to, like, get cool. I have to jump in the water. That type of thing. Um. Anyway, so what we've done is created technology. Let's go back to that, and because of that, no longer with us does the strong survive, the best genes survive, because we've now created this man-made money, all this bullshit religion and all this stuff. And what's happened is now what's looked at as being the strongest for a partner can actually be someone who's the most retarded or the most effective, because all you really have to do is be rich. You can be born into a rich family and be completely shit, and someone's going to take you up because they have money, and because you have money, you're going to be their best chance for them to survive. So we've completely defunct our whole evolution genetic stream of how our evolution works. So we need to tie back into nature a little bit more. But that's like another story. The whole situation, that's just humans as far as life goes. In the animal kingdom, I mean, we're all bones, we're all central nervous system, we're all muscles. Animals, like, a dog, that's bones, meat, nervous system, brain, it's an animal. You got fish, bones, nervous system, brain. We're just another animal on the planet, right? We've just had to figure out a different way to survive because we fuck shit up. Anyway, that's just a theory. Maybe that's why there's only life on Earth, is because maybe the Big Bang Theory happened from Earth. Just saying. Peace.